This is the Waking Up from Alexandria Young's Dream. Women journey through life by way of enhancing their beauty and nurturing life's quality. This woman, with the conditioned desire to feel good, frequently yields a beautiful world which reflects comfort. Her skin, nails, tresses, vanity, and heels are the details which enhance her ideal world. She adorns this sensitive touch into the practice of her self-care. One manifestation closest to her heart is Spa Day, a dream worth pampering. This fantasy creates a beautiful set of skillfully crafted art onto the body of her nails. She marvels of her hands' newly designed styles, which fill her canvas. While perfecting the polish, a woman can lead the misconception her beauty must be designed to impress. The delight in her self-care tingle her body through and after her massage, manicure, or pedicure. The love for her nails is not told by the choice of her style. Inside her mindful practice, she delivers her soul to peace. The specific pleasures of a woman illuminate the essence of her being. Her treasures lie planted within herself. A woman's journey is hidden deep within her heart's desires. A young girl can but imagine the intense desire to feel loved, beautiful, worthy, and purposed by the simple things. Her heart's fantasy describes a woman's inclination to seek and multiply love outside of her universe. Women falsely believe they should pour their love to the world, yet the greatest gift possible is to pour graceful love into the truth of their soul. The essence of this Mother Nature radiates this inner peace. Positivity, love, and life, which flow through the world, are shown through the dream chasing of a young girl. This dream was made possible by many Instagram photos and videos.